What's going on YouTube? Kev Drives back here. So listen, we have a special video today. We have Auxito LED lights. It's actually for a 2015 Nissan Altima. We're gonna give it to a random person. We're gonna go find them. You guys are gonna be along for the rides. Let's get it.
How can I convince you when I tell you I'm there? How can I convince you when I tell you I care? Just cause people do.
We gotta find the freaking Nissan Altima. Yo, help me out. If y'all can spot one for me, man, just, you know, kind of pointing at the screen. Like, yo, he's right there, Kev. He's right there. Oh, look, there's one right there. Ah, damn. I got no power steering. I'm not trying to make a U-turn. Gotta find somebody in the right spot. The right spot. All right, y'all. So still no sign of a Nissan Altima. So the type of lights they'll be getting, here's the specification on this light. It's a Y19, that's the Prog series. Operating voltage is 12 to 24 volts. The IP rate is IP67. Light source type LED. The color temperature is 65,000. No, 6,500. And the operating temperature, you know, is negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 176 degrees Fahrenheit. And 50,000 hours of operating life. Aviation aluminum, that's the housing material. Interesting. High brightness, easy to install, quick start, fast heat dissipation, off-road. Somebody's gonna be lucky to have this. Free lights anyway. Alright, y'all, so far we have not. Oh, I found an Ultima. Is that a. Let's see if we can find a Nissan Altima. Sometimes, you know, these Nissan Altimas be freaking driving with freaking high beam. People be driving with high beams, and I'm like, yo, bro, I got some headlights right here for you. I got some bulbs right here. I changed it for free. I think we found someone, y'all. We found it's a black Nissan Altima. Gotta make this U-turn. Found our target. Let's go. He made a right. Yep, made a right. All right, y'all. He's pulling up. He's pulling up. He's right to our left. It's gonna be this black Nissan Altima right here. Yo, my name's Kev Drives. I'm doing a YouTube video right now. I'm looking for a Nissan Altima. I got headlights. I'm doing a free install. You down? A free install? Yeah. Yeah? Oh, okay. He said, yeah. Jeez. Yo, this is awesome, yo. This is good. This is golden. You like the car? And I'm about to change his lights for real. I got no power steering. How you doing, sir?
All right, man. So what now?
What's your name?
Chad.
Chad?
Jackson.
Jackson? Kevin.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
All right, Kevin. So
Yeah.
I can't get out of my.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, so.
Okay.
So basically, what happened is that this company gave me these lights, right?
So I'm being recorded now.
Yeah, you're being recorded. You're being recorded.
Okay, I'm listening.
So yeah, man, I just gotta do a how-to install video on this light. I gotta do an install video for this company.
So how you know that's the right one for my car?
Cause for Nissan Altima.
Right, but what year?
It ranges from 2012 to 2018. What you got?
2018.
2018.
Yeah.
So you want to do it? I mean, I can. Before I even continue, I could pop the hood, and I'm a mechanic, so I can do it. But I can pop the hood and see if it fits.
Show me some proof, man.
We found a Nissan Altima owner. Say hi, dude.
Hey. How you doing? I'm Luke.
Yeah. So we're about to install these Auxito LED lights. He didn't believe me at first. Like he was like money.
Yeah, I'm skeptical.
All right, so it's gonna be a quick process. Honestly, you don't have to do it from the hood. All you gotta do is just turn the wheel to the left and the right. Lou's gonna turn the wheel to the right for us. We're gonna change one light bulb, and then he's gonna turn the other way, and we're gonna change the other light bulb. Quick process. It's not gonna take long. So let's get to it. All right, so with the light on, this is how it looks. You know, he's got the OEM bulbs. And we're about to put these LED bulbs in. Took this side out so you can see the bulb right there. It's nice and bright, but these LED bulbs are gonna be a lot brighter. All right, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we got the box right here. Look at that, it comes with gloves? Yo, Lou, what do you think about this, man? Gloves in a light bulb box?
Ready. Prepared to do what you gotta do.
Yo, this is crazy. What? You got zip ties, got Allen keys. Oh, snap. You ready?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Let's get to it. Now we're gonna go here. Literally all I gotta do is put it in there, make a right. Turn it, twist it right, nice and locked in. All right, Lou, so I need you to turn on the light and I want you to look at it. I want to look at the difference and I want you to see your reaction.
Oh yeah.
You see it's coming out?
Yeah.
Because it's like it's an LED bulb, so it has like a little fan on the back. So once that that builds up, then it goes, you know, it goes on.
Sure?
Huh?
Sure?
Yeah. So, man, look at that difference, y'all. Just wait at night. Just wait at night. Tonight, you're gonna see. You go anywhere tonight? You don't know? All right, I'm gonna zip tie it down for you and then put it back on and we're gonna go to the other side. All right, time to do this side. But look, let's go back and look at these lights. Look at it. It comes with its own box, Auxito. It's got the LED port and it's got the plugs right in. This thing fits flawlessly in there. You see the fan right here. You see how the LED bulb has that little fan right here?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what spins.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when it gets power.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you want to do is you want to put this in first and then plug this up and you know, tighten it up last. All right, Lou, you can turn it on and you can come see the difference.
Sure I'm gonna like this?
Yo, look at it.
Now this one looks good. This one doesn't. See?
It might be the housing itself, to be honest. Yeah, but the bulb is good. It might be the housing because it's the housing itself. Huh?
You do that kind of stuff?
Yeah.
Sit down?
Yeah, you can turn it down. You can put it down. All right, y'all. We got the lights in. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The quality on these lights are pretty nice. The packaging is beautiful. Packaging is everything. It's like a thumbnail on a YouTube video.
Nice.
Yo. He's gonna have to replace the housing, but still bright, still white. Sheesh.
How long do these last?
50,000 hours. And here you go.
All right.
And you got your old bulbs in there, and you got the manual for your thing there. You should be good though. Should be
Okay.
good. You got anything to say to the people before we go?
It's a good deal.
Definitely a good deal, man. I'll catch y'all next time.
Baby, this year's my year.